Installers across Australia are using Radiant solar racking to shorten their install time and get the job done hassle-free. We offer a wide range of solar racking solutions, from flat to roof mounting, tripod tilting, and ground raised systems. Adding to that is the adjustable easy tilt racking system from Radiant, designed for tilting solar panels 10 to 20 degrees. It utilises the Radiant rail clamp to click base rails easily in place. The adjustable easy tilt is a simple, no worries racking system that will have your installs looking great. It is capable to install solar panels of all sizes, suitable to work on tin, trim deck, clip lock and sandwich panel roofs. Once the adjustable easy tilt is secured to the roof, the system will be ready to hold the solar panels. Radiant use spring-loaded middle and end clamps that click into the base rails to hold the solar panels. When it comes to putting solar on Australian rooftops, think Radiant solar racking for both quality and reliability with your next install. If you would like to learn more about Australia's fastest racking systems, contact us today.